Hi, welcome back. Let me continue the video. So here you can see here in our last class we have talked about the DTO and controller section everything. In this class we have to talk about the sales service IMPL when the record coming via the DTO passing to the controller, controller passing to the controller passing to the service, service passing to the service IMPL. Right. So record is coming here. First you have to implement the repo sales repo and sales details repo where you have right click. So all things we have already talked about my previous videos, all the things, because here we have to add two repos we have to call, because we have to one record we have to add two different tables, right? So we have to call these two repos, we have to add it here, auto add here, sales details repo and sales, right? After that we have to call another repo as well. It's a product repo as well, this product repo. Okay, so we have combining these three tables, you have to combine, right? This simple stuff you have to do it, right? After that, what you are going to do is we have to do another thing is a model mapper. This is very simple to uh, add it. So if you are at the records, we are view the records. We are using the model mapper class. Very easy stuff, right? Why? What is a model mapper? If you want to learn model mapper deeply, I have a Spring Boot basic video tutorial. You just go and click the video description. I have a basic videos. You just watch them. Okay, model mapper. Okay, model mapper very easy to, we have to customize it, right? Okay, so how to import the model mapper? You can't import directly. First you have to go to uh, first you have to go to the Google and type model mapper, model mapper mbn. Click on this. So version, I have get this version. Okay, so you have to, okay, I will get this one, this version. This is the dependence, you just copy it, you have to paste on the form.xml file. Inside this dependency set, this dependency inside this bracket you have to paste it, right? I already pasted it, I no need to take again. Here we have already pasted that version, right? This how we have pasted, right? Then only after paste it you have to click on this button, tap click, right? So here I already, again I am going to paste it, right? So because if you have do any changes here, if you click on this button, then only it will be active. So here I am to remove it. Okay, so that's the thing you have to write it. Okay, right. So after that what I did here is, after done the dependencies, you have to create the package which is the config package. Right click, new package, you have to name it as config. The package you name it as config. After the package has been created, inside the package I am going to create a class which is a model mapper config. A model mapper config, right? This class you have to add the annotation configuration annotation. After this is a bean class. Okay, you have to reuse this class, okay, of all the program. Here is a bean class. So bean class you have to create the method public model mapper. It's a model mapper method. You have to return view model mapper. You have to write the simple bean class you have to create. With that configuration annotation you have to create a simple model mapper bean class. This is not normal class, it's a bean class for the security purpose, right? So this bean class mean, what we are implement the bean class. This is a reusable purpose. You have to make this class as a bean class. Okay, this bean class you have to use any of the DTO, any of the IMPL. You have to call it. You have to add this model map. You have to call it, right? This is a bean class. That's it. We have to add the bean annotation. The Spring Boot very simple. All things are we have to consist of the annotation based, right? So that this very simple to implementations, right? Now with all things we have done it. So after that, after done the part, you have to add the auto where private model mapper. You have to implement the model mapper. That's the thing you have to write it, right? After that, what I'm going to do is you have to write the transactional part. This is a transactional area. This transactional area, first you have to add the annotations transactional. You have to create the method. We already created the method. The method we have created where it's a controller. Which controller? This control. You have to create the add sales. It is coming here. Right. Here the record is passing here. After that we have a two different tables, sales table and sales details table. Sales table record is coming here. This is a repo. This is the entity, sales entity. Create the object new. Sales save DTO. Sales save DTO. This sales save DTO. Get date and get total. We have a two. We have to implement two here. You can see here. Date and total. These two things. It goes to here. Right. So after that we have to call sales repo dot save method. Okay. There is a, this is the our repo. Where's repo? Sales repo. The sales repo here, you have to create the object sales repo dot save. Okay, because this is the JP. All the record I already explained what is a JP. All the SQL query managed by the JP. Okay, insert into, right? This insert into, right? So all things it will be managed by the JP. So you have to write like this JP. Okay, so you have to call JPA. It has a method called save. This what is the record you are coming here? Date and total coming from the front end. It is passing to this object. This object you have to call it over here. It is add the record into the database via this entity format. This entity format, right? After that, first here, what I did here is here you can see this is the very important section. Okay, in the program, you must observe this area. It's very must because what the thing is, you have does we have two different tables, sales and sales details table. If the sales table has ID, then only we will be the sales details table we will be add the record into the database. Because the thing is this, here you can, I am going to get the notepad back in. Here you can see here the sales ID, sales table ID. This is sales ID. Okay, so one sales details. I already explained. Sales details table is a sales details ID, sales ID. This one product name one, product something sugar. Here you can see here sales side, this sales side, this table ID go here, the sales side. So it should be one. Again here another item, sales ID 2, rice, the same bill. Okay, so what I did is when the sales this table is registered successfully, the ID has been created. Okay, that is a sales ID. This ID is available, then only it will be registered the sales details. Okay, if without this ID we cannot register the sales details. Okay, so if the ID is available only it's coming here. That's the thing you have to check. If so, where we can't check it, how to check it? There is a repo, which is the one where there is a query checking. So repo exists by ID. The sales, what's the ID is coming here? We get the ID using get sales ID, right? After that, open and close bracket. We have a list because we have to pass into the details into the front end as a DTO format. So we have to write here list sales details. We have to create the object. Okay, sales details mean here this sales details. Get the object sales save details. This sales detail get save sales save details. You get sales save details. Okay, dot stream. Okay, you write the stream. Okay, this dot map. Okay, details. You have to map the details. Here we have used the sales details mapper dot sales details mean this all the sales details here the sales details this all the fields. Okay, so you have to get it. Sales is a class. Sales details dot set sales. We have to set sales. We have to call this sales, right? Sales. After that we have right here first you have to check it the product ID also. Well, product ID also we have a ID. So this table it has another column called product ID. PROD product. This also the check it whether the product is available or not before register the invoice. That also the must. Without a product, how to register the sales? Okay, so product also we have to check it whether the product is available on the product is a product type is a product type, right? So that's also the we have to check it via the repo, product repo. There's a product repo. This is a product repo means a product table. We have to call the repo to get by ID whether the product is exist or not. If it exists, all things are done. Now it will be registered record. Okay, so it will be all things are collect as a list. After that, what I did is here, if sales detail is not empty, okay, if not, if it's not topic not empty sales details, because here it's not saved because we have collection of record, we are call it as save all. You have to pass this save details over here. Okay, the sales details, this sales, sorry, this sales details is passing here, right? This is all the collection, we have to set it as a collection field. Okay, so map it. And that's the thing you have tried it. Okay, after that these two tables at the record, we have to return the message sales added successfully. To understand the scenario, you go through this code 2 or 3 times, you will be able to get it. Okay. Okay, I hope you guys, okay, you just write it this all the things, look at my code and write all down. Here this is simple part, simple code, right? Simple code, right? Now let's run the program. Running successfully. Now let me check it. Click save button. uh, what's the problem? The problem is here, the problem is here. So we have to add the record first, we have to all things we haven't added, I think. Okay, we don't have a product, that's why you take there. So first you have to all the things have registered. So here first what I'm did here is again we have to this one I put it create. So to put that update, sorry, once you made all the things successfully, this one we have don't create again, because if you create again the database is recreated again, your existing record will be deleted. Okay, so you have to make once your tables, all the tables has been created, you have to make it as update. Okay, don't put as a create, it recreate your table has been recreated again by again, right? Now I'm going to run it again. So now I'm going to add the APIs again, right? So first I'm going to do it here. You have to, from the sales say category part, category is washing machine, I have to register first category washing machine. Another one I'm going to create another category which is a TV, radio, power bank, power bank. After that you have to create the brand Samsung, Sony, HP, Dell. These are the brands. Okay, Nokia. After that we am going to register the product. I'm going to register the product. So how to register product? Let me, now I'm going to register product. So how to register product? There's Samsung. Okay, so this category. So let's check all the postman. The tables such as the category brand. Okay, okay. Now let's check it. This one should be our product. Sorry. Get all brand Sony one. Okay, so right. So yeah, product also I'm going to register as a product. As a product. Okay, here Samsung category brand ID one. Price is this. We'll get. do this. Second one, I'm going to this set third, second one. Right. We have registered product. Now let's do the thing is, now let's first what the things you have to do it here is you have to, now you can see here, now you have to post the record here. Here the sales added successfully. Now why the earlier not added? We have empty tables, all the tables. There is no products, category and brand. So how it's possible to complete the sales without the shop? Okay, without the item, how to make the sales? So that its error should be there. So now here sales added successfully. Now you will be able to see here all things are done successfully. Here sales details tables. There are two columns added over here. Right here sales tables. Here you can check it here all things. Right now let's go to the sales table. There's ID to the sales we have made it. So the sales details table, we have two items here. Here's product ID 111, quantity. Here this is sales details ID. It will be generated. Okay, the sales ID here you can look at the sales ID 222, washing machine and sugar. It's a product. Okay, okay. So this is the detail. You have to add it like this. I hope you guys understood things well. Okay, you just go through my all the API, but I already complete the backend part well. Okay, now I want to do the front end part, which is a Angular, right? So keep watching this video. This is very helpful to make your future projects. Okay, that's why I bring this video. This is very helpful. I finished the backend successfully. Thank you for watching.